Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for ways to boost your income, you're in the right place. Stick around until the end because side hustle number 5 can actually turn into a full-time business. Starting with something simple, freelancing on websites like Upwork or Fiverr. You don't need advanced skills. People get paid for things like writing product descriptions, simple graphic design, even virtual assistants. Just create a free profile and offer services you're already comfortable with. Second, selling digital downloads on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. These could be planners, resume templates, or even digital artwork. The key is to add your own twist. Let your creativity shine, because that's what makes your products stand out. Once you've uploaded your designs, promote them by sharing on Instagram, Pinterest, or even TikTok to reach more buyers. The best part? You only create the product once, and it can keep selling over and over again, making this a truly passive side hustle. Third, print on demand. Websites like Printful or Redbubble let you design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and they print and ship them when someone orders. That means no inventory, no big investment. Just upload your design, and you're in business. Fourth is online tutoring. Sites like Preply, Cambly, or even your local Facebook groups let you teach English or help students with schoolwork. If you're knowledgeable in math, coding, or even just conversational English, you can turn that into hourly income. And number 5, content creation. It might sound intimidating, but you don't need to show your face. Podcasts, faceless YouTube channels, even TikToks using stock footage. All of these can generate ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate income. Start small, keep creating, and it can snowball into a long-term business. And there you have it. 5 completely free side hustles that you can start today. Which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below, and if you learned something new, hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful videos just like this one.